In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on or off mic on Steam. First, open the Steam. Click the Steam icon in the top left corner of the screen. Next, go to Settings. From the menu, choose Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see Game Recording and click on it. Then, scroll a bit further to find Audio Recording section. Here you can enable or disable your microphone for game recordings. If you turn it on, you'll see two extra options. Force microphone to mono, combine stereo channels into one. Automatic gain control, automatically adjust your mic volume. You can toggle these options on or off depending on your preference. Next, check your voice settings. Still under the game recording settings, look for voice section. Make sure your preferred microphone is selected as the input device. And that's it. Your mic setting for Steam game recording are now ready. If you found this video helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.